Your bounce to be getting bop, 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 work your upper upper. You mix it when you clap it when you bounce your upper upper. Your bounce to be getting bop, 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 work your upper upper. You mix it when you clap it when you bounce your upper upper. Shake, 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 shake.
Hey y'all, it's me, Malibu Darby. Welcome to my channel. If it's not your first time watching, welcome back. Today I decided to not just talk about one product because there has been a lot of products coming out and I have some first impressions and stuff I want to do, but I'm gonna talk about a few products. I'm doing my summer faves, my summer must-have, my 10 products that I feel like you gotta have for the summer. Like, I'm not gonna make it through without these. So if you are interested in knowing my recommendations, my go-tos, my must-haves for this summer, because we outside, stay tuned. Okay, so let's jump into the products. But first, if you've already made it this far, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you always know when I upload. And without further ado, let's get to the first product. Excuse my nail, by the way. Broke on vacation. Things happen. Okay, my first product is a little bit of a cult classic. This is a face wash from Lush, the Dark Angels face wash. I feel like if you use Lush products or you know Lush products, then you have heard about Dark Angels. It's technically a face and body cleanser, but it's a little pricey for body if you ask me. About a month and some change ago, my face started breaking out really badly. It was all over the place. I like to go to Lush when I want like clean, natural, straight to the point products, no chemicals, none of the extra stuff. This is a charcoal cleanser. So you scoop a little bit of it in your hand, you add water, rub it around, and it becomes a face wash. It is black, it's charcoal, so it looks a little crazy. Don't use a white rag, it's gonna ruin your rags. But when I tell y'all it reset my face and put my skin like right back where it needs to be. I got the 3.5 ounce and I think this was like $14.95. I'll make sure I link all the products in the description. But if you're looking for a great like everyday face wash, I can use this twice a day. It's not too harsh for me. I highly recommend this cleanser. It really changed my skin. It's good for a really deep clean. So Lush Dark Angels is my first summer must-have. Sticking to skincare, my next summer fave, summer must-have is the Cerave Night Cream Focus. There we go. Now, y'all have heard me mention before the healing ointment in the like blue tube. So I love the healing ointment. I like to use that after my routine in the morning. But for night, I really wanted like a really rich, really creamy, really moisturizing kind of cream. But I didn't want to spend $50, $60. Y'all know how skincare can be. So this is the Skin Renewing Night Cream. It is just a pretty thick, see, y'all know how white is. A pretty thick white cream moisturizer. And I kind of slather that on my face before I go to bed after I do everything else. And when I tell you I wake up and my skin is like so soft and supple, it's not too oily, it didn't make me break out. So that was my main concern with the night cream and why I haven't used one before. But I do like the consistency of this one and it is super affordable. Also gonna link this in the description box below. Okay, let's get into makeup. Now my third product is gonna be a little bit of a gimme because she is an oldie but a goodie. The Fenty Beauty Fenty Glow Gloss Bomb. I think I strayed away from her a little bit last year because we were in the panini and I just wasn't like buying a lot of new lip products. But y'all, when I tell you this lip gloss looks perfect over anything or alone on any skin tone, it's just like the perfect summer. Like, I feel like glosses, I know they're not mass friendly, but I feel like glosses and kind of the more glowy, like naturally makeup is a little bit more trendy right now. And I feel like this gloss bomb just fits perfectly. And Fenty Glow specifically, the color is just perfect. She a little pricey, and this thing is so small that I wish they would put it on a keychain because these are so easy to lose, but it's worth it. And it's just, it's perfect. It's perfect. I'm gonna stick to Fenty products. This is not a Fenty haul, but I do have 2 more Fenty products. I want to talk about this one because I did a full video on it and I didn't give her a fair shot. So I want to come back to retract to give y'all an update on how I feel on the Pro Filter Soft Matte Powder Foundation. If you have not seen the video, I card it over here because I wasn't sure on what it was giving. And it is a powder foundation and that's not usually what I like. I got the shade 410. Y'all, I love this foundation. It is so easy to apply because it's a powder and you can get it full coverage. And if you're oily, it helps absorb the oil. I don't know what I was doing in the first video. I might have been going through some things. Sometimes you just gotta marinate with products, let them talk to you, figure out what you really are trying to do with them, figure out what works best with them. But this, I like to underpaint my concealer and my contour, so put it on first. I use the Milk Hydro Grip Primer because I feel like it sticks to this powder. I put my concealer on first, then I put this powder in the areas where the concealer is not. It is such a good summer foundation. So when I am oily and sweaty and greasy in the summer, I will definitely be using this still. And I like that I can take it with me, hit a quick wee powder on the nose, and call it a day. So I take back what I said. Sometimes you gotta admit when you're wrong. My next and last Fenty product is the Sun Stalker Bronzer in the shade Thick Mint. Now, I, for one, be complaining about the amount of products that Fenty come out with. But I did just buy the new under eye cream she just came out with. If you want to see a first impressions video of that, I have not used it yet. Drop in the comments if you'd like to see a first impressions video. I think I got the shade Toffee, and I'm not really sure how the product works, if it's a concealer or not. But I bought it anyway because marketing. But this is her Sun Filter Bronzer in the shade Thick Mint. First of all, let's just take a minute. Look how deep and dark and rich that is, and warm. This is a bronzer. I see a lot of companies do bronzers and they're either too muddy, and everybody has their own undertone, but they are either too muddy and like grayish, or they don't go deep enough. But this is a bronzer for deep to deep dark skin. And I knew Rihanna was gonna come through. If you use Toffee Teas in the cream, this is the perfect complement. Even if this is the Toffee Tea is a little dark for you, you just hit her right here in the cheekbones or the hairline. Does it for me. So that's a yes for me. Okay, that is it for, I think, makeup and skincare. Well, this is kind of skincare. This is the, I know this is basic, but I promise you, there are so many high-end oils and body glitters and stuff. This is the Cocoa Butter Formula Moisturizing Body Oil. This thing is like $7. It's better than baby oil. Number one, it smells better. And I feel like it's not as transferable, but this, like after the shower or just when you put on like a dress or something, you get like a sheen. You can even put this on and then like put a little bit of your highlighter on your clavicles or something like that if you want that kind of highlighted look. Again, affordable but functional, because I'm not paying $50 for a body glow cream. I'm just not going to. This girl does a job, and she's an oldie but a goodie. I like the stick. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. And this one has been one that has always worked for me. Also oldie but goodie, a classic. People always ask me about what I use to wash my wigs or wash my hair. Silicone mix, the shampoo and the conditioner. Clearly I have the salon size tub because they're inexpensive. You could slather it on your wigs and not feel guilty. Even if you just co-wash your wigs, if you use the silicone mix, leave it on for a little bit, I promise you that hair is going to be so soft. I have some deep wave and curly wigs. It will not be as frizzy. It's super hydrating, super moisturizing, and affordable. That's low-key the thing. I mean, Fenty is not like affordable, but it's for a reason. She charges us for a reason. Oh, I forgot one that's kind of makeup-y. Again, if you watch old videos, you're gonna be like, but you said. So I am a die-hard Scandinavia Urban Decay. They're the same company. All-nighter or like the bridal setting spray. I think you cannot beat Scandinavia when it comes to setting sprays. But for some reason, I went in Morphe. That's the Scandinavia universe telling me to stop it. And I bought the Continuous Setting Mist. And I love this. I don't know if it's because it's like an aerosol can. So it's like an aerosol can versus the squirt. So I feel like it's a little more even. I don't know because it is way more affordable. Midnight Final Seal, Scandinavia, Urban Decay, all those are going to run you $25 up. This was like maybe 12 bucks. I'm not sure, but I know it was a lot less. And if you were like me and when you do your face, you like to set multiple times on different steps, spraying a $35 setting spray multiple times is a lot. So at the very least, I say get this to use in between and then use one of your more expensive ones for the final. But this does a great job for the price. I was asleep on her. I know this is not like a new product and people have been talking about her, but I was asleep. I'm not gonna lie. So again, I take back what I said. Okay, almost done. I think that's number 8. So product number 9, I might have mentioned it here before. If not, put down your Got To Be glued bottle, the yellow one and the black one. Put those down. The cream, the little gel. No, you got to put on your hairline. It's thick, it's sticky, it's white. It gets white sometime. It takes forever to dry. Even the yellow spray bottle, put her down. The blue Got To Be Insta Hold spray. First of all, it sprays better than the yellow because it's aerosol. So it's like a more even spray versus the yellow is aggressive. And it's just much neater and dries way faster than the cream. I think I saw this on LaRasia Andrea's page a while ago when I was looking at wigs and stuff last year. This girl, I tried another similar product last week and my wig slid off in the bar. So I will only be using this to hold my wigs down. You can take it off each night. I spray a little bit of water on it when I get home, rip her off, go to bed. I do not sleep in my wigs. But this girl is going to hold you down. And again, she's affordable. So that's the Got To Be. My last and final product, it's kind of 2 products, but another I feel like oldie that we were on and then so many products come out and you just move on. Organics. Well, they changed their name to OGX now, I think. Either way, the smoothing coffee scrub body wash and the coconut oil miracle lotion, these 2 girls together, this is the summer combination. This exfoliates and it smells so well. I don't know if it's a placebo effect, but the coffee smell, like, it's energizing. I know that coffee has benefits for your skin. So there's that, but it's also like you can actually feel the exfoliating and scrubbing. And this is so thick and rich and creamy. Sometimes I'll use this and the oil and just be super hydrated, but this is so thick and creamy and rich. And I can tell there's some coconut oil. Sometimes coconut oil alone doesn't do it for me, so I need like something with actual lotion too. It's a good combination, and again, affordable. So that is it. That is my 10 must-haves, my 10 summer faves, summer go-tos. I literally pulled these out of my travel bag. We just came back from vacation and I was like, no, these are going with me every trip, everywhere. This is my summer go-tos. So I did a little video. So hopefully you found a product or 2 that you can use. I will link maybe like Amazon or wherever I can find them at the best price. I will link that in the description box below. If you have any favorite go-to summer products, let me know because I'm always looking to buy stuff or to get new products. Clearly I've been asleep on a lot of products that y'all probably could have recommended to me a while ago. So if you enjoyed this video, comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.